we just arrived at Milford Sound. We're going to go on a cruise, like a 2-hour cruise to see the sound. And when we got to the parking lot, there was a tourist chasing a parrot. They're called Kias. Chasing a parrot with his little camera, you know, and then so it kind of headed towards our van. And so I got out my camera and I kind of shot through the window and it looked up at me and then it flew up on top of our van. And then I heard it starting to peck at our van. I'm like, well, crap, you know, so I got out and I took another picture of it. But then I started seeing that it was like kind of destroying our van. So I jumped up on the bumper and I slapped at it, but I didn't hit it. I just slapped by it. It ruffled all its feathers and it got really mad at me. And next thing you know, it ripped off my antenna and threw it at me. So in America, we have what's called aggressive squirrels, and they kind of chew into your pack and stuff like that. But man, I'll tell you what, these parrots, they got them squirrels beat. I mean, they are aggressive. I wouldn't mess with these things. If you ever go down to New Zealand and you encounter these Kia parrots, number 1, don't feed them. Number 2, don't slap at them, because they do get angry. And I can't believe what he did. He literally ripped off my antenna and threw it at me. So, yeah.
Who knows how much that'll cost us?
Yeah, because
the top and the bottom of the van is not covered, they told us, in insurances.
So I'm not sure if there's a clause in there for Kias or not, but I got a feeling we're going to end up paying for this. So that's my piece about Kias. They're kind of cute, far away. Okay, here we are. We're going to take a cruise in the Milford Sound. This is going to be our boat. And looks pretty sound and sturdy.
Hoping to see some more birds, maybe a dolphin.
Yeah, maybe a dolphin. Hoping to see some wildlife out there that we haven't seen, other than the Kia experience we had earlier today.
Right.
Kind of looking at the shipyard.
This is to run your safety. There's just 1 or 2 things you need to know for your safety. Now, there's quite a high steel building inside. It's got a seesaw around about 200mm high. So just mind your footing as you negotiate the doorways. And those doors do keep the slab closed, so mind your fingers please on the door. But I'm sure these are the stairways and they're very steep, they're very slippery. Make use of the handrails and you shouldn't get as well.
Nice, and then all of a sudden the ship turned around and it got like really windy. I couldn't keep my hat on up there, and Lord knows I can't live without this hat. Anybody who knows me, I always wear that. So, and Autumn's hair was blowing all over and it's wicked cold.
Yeah, so we're coming down for a little bit while they get back into shore, or not all the way into shore, but out of the ocean area.
Yeah, the windy area at least. Then we'll probably go back up top and freeze a little bit. Note though, if you come here in the winter time, when you take a cruise, wear a coat. So, alright, there we are. Gonna sit down in the galley. Check it out, it's kind of cool. Not too bad, huh? Pretty clean.
We're on, what is it, Real Journey?
Real Journeys cruises.
Yeah, so it's been pretty nice so far. They have complimentary coffee and hot chocolate.
Really good hot chocolate, actually.
Soup and different things, so it's nice.
Yeah, especially on a day when it's cold like this. Might try the soup, but it's pumpkin soup, so I don't know.
Let's see.
We'll see. I'll let you know, maybe. All right. See you in a little bit.
something about snow-capped mountains and blue sky that really rings home. No matter who you are or where you're from, it's a pretty good look. And again, minor peek out the right-hand side, the big pointy one. We've got the Cascades to our left and the Fiordlands range all the way in front of us. Now the Cascades to our left, given its name as during the rain, it does cascade with many tiny waterfalls.